So we had a question, are list price and sales price different? Well, they can be, and often they're the same. But basically what that is, the list price is what is the price offered on the open market. So when the home first hits the market, what is it listed on the open market for? And then the sales price is what did it close for? So after the buyer and seller came to an agreement and the home finally sold, what did it end up that the final sales price was? And in a more typical market, that sales price may be a little less than the list price, and in our current market condition, that sales price could be a little higher or significantly higher. In fact, I have seen a lot of listing agents recently using the term the starting price instead of the list price because too many homes have started off at a certain price and notched up sometimes rather significantly to what they finally sold for.